Now, let me just be honest with you. I'm sure I did not live all these characteristics of love to how God called me to live them. So let me just put that out there as a disclaimer. I have not. But I've tried since, and I believe that God's going to help me do it so long as I continue to keep Him first and allow Him to have His way and not my way. And so here we are. Okay. And baby, you can relate too. Like, we need help. And you know who can help us? Christ. Christ can help us, and He wants to help us. And we're going to let Him. That's our, desire always. Not just this year, but like our desire is to always let God have His way. Just let God have His way. So that's what we'll be doing today. And focusing on this chapter and whatever. So what does God's love look like? Our society today, it gives children a warped view of love and some type of like unrealistic view of love because, they listen to music, watch TV, read fictions, and most unfortunately, they observe all these people around them that they may very be like learning from about love and how love is conditional and it's based on feelings and that it's temporary. How sucky is that? So how can we help save these children cut through the world's distortion of love to see like God's kind of love and not, our version of it, our messed up version of it? Okay, first we can read 1 Corinthians 13, which describes the characteristics of godly love in practical terms. This is the perfect yardstick to measure ourselves, and we can put it into children's words so that they can understand it. Okay, what does it mean to love others, first of all, right? That's the question we need to ask ourselves. What does it mean to love others? Maybe we've heard it on songs or radios or seen movies or TVs about it too, and they say that love is just like this warm feeling and it's exciting and all that stuff. And maybe we read stories about people who love somebody until they get tired, right? That's usually how it ends, until they get tired of loving that person and then they find somebody else to love. That's not love. Is that what real love is? No, that's not love. No, and no. If we want to know what real love is and what love really is, we need to look at God. Because again, God is love. And the Bible says God is love. In 1 John 4 verses 8, God's love for us is a picture of His perfect love. Perfect love. Perfect love casts out all fear. So His perfect love for us is not just a warm feeling. God's love for us does not depend on our love for Him.